Welcome to the year 2050. The world is run by machines, but a terrifying question lingers. Has artificial intelligence finally replaced humanity? Let's explore the ultimate future.
Millions of jobs have vanished. Drivers, factory workers, and even artists. AI-powered robots are faster, cheaper, and never sleep. But is this the end of all human work?
The future isn't about replacing, it's about collaborating. Humanity's unique creativity, empathy, and critical thinking will always be essential. AI is our tool, not our master. The choice is ours. Do we fear the machines or build a future where AI and humanity thrive together? Do you think AI will eventually replace your job? Comment below. Subscribe to Future Art for more updates.